Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishna from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam 29th October 2025, Aipasi Masam 12th, Wednesday. Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram Dakshinayanam Sharatartho Aipasi Masam, that is Tula Masam, Shukla Paksham, Ashtami Tithi, Saumyavasaram, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to 2:20 p.m. Uttaradam, then Tiruvonam. Today's Rahu Kalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guliya Kalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Today's sunrise based on Kerala 6:08 a.m. Chandrashtam for Midhuna Rashi. Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Shraddha Tithi Ashtami. Om Sri Matre Namaha.